please, like you, believe in you. You are important. You are a powerhouse. Job chapter 13 and verse 2. What you know, I know, I am not inferior to you. Job chapter 12 and verse 3. God repeats it. What you know, I am not inferior to you. You may not have what your sister has, but you also have what they don't have. You know the problem in the world today, particularly amongst Christian women. Inside every one of us, there is a Rachel and there is a Leah. I'll explain. Leah had what Rachel did not have. She had children. Rachel had what Leah did not have, the love and the attention of the husband. And this is the problem we have. We focus on what we don't have that our sister has. Oh, if I can just carry a Prada bag. Oh, if I can just carry Gucci. Oh, if I can just, oh, if my husband can just, if. It's always greener on the other side of the fence. Sometimes you don't know what people go through. So stop using their lives as a yardstick. Because you don't have the full picture. Some of you are too distracted. That's why you're not flourishing. You're too distracted, minding other people's businesses, minding other people's gardens, taking care of other people. If you're a pastor's wife here, hear me doubly. My husband will say, don't die for the church. Because the person that should die for the church died already. If you die for the church, it's in vain. Stop being distracted. If you want to flourish, let me say this. And you need to hear this doubly. It's one of the most important statements I'm going to make today. If as an eagle, you are affected negatively by what chickens and parrots and turkeys are saying, you are flying too low. Did you see what she wrote on Facebook? Did you see? Did you hear? Did you read? I don't have time for that nonsense. I knew years ago that once you get to the top, you become a topic. So I tell my proteges, oh, somebody's talking about you on Instagram, on Facebook. Congratulations. It means you have succeeded. That's how to know that you have succeeded. If they are not started talking about you, then you are still warming up. Did he abuse you on Instagram or on Facebook? That is how to know. That's how to say, I'm not doing badly. That a whole blogger can talk about me or more. And if you think it's affecting you, then stop reading. Let me tell your neighbor, face front. Some of you, you know what? You are running behind schedule. Your assignment is waiting. You are busy replying. You wanted to go and score a goal. Somebody looked at you and said, look at K-leg. You came by and said, is it me? Let me just go and score. I'm coming. By the time you get there, the ball is gone. The game is over. Or somebody, when you were going to score, somebody says, oh, mama, do mama. You can say, give me hammer. Give me hammer. Before the game is over. Tell another person, stop being distracted. It's so strong in my spirit to tell you this. Some of you are flying too low. Madam, you are flying too low. Come up. That's why you are being affected by what chickens. Who said what? And because of that, you cannot sleep. Who? In fact, once in a while, check their page and say, oh, is this a mistress that was frustrated when, oh, and then she started selling kono, okay. Then, they excommunicated or whatever from the university. Oh, okay, is that girl? Oh, okay. Oh, am I even bothering myself? It's okay to be a mistress. It's okay to sell kono. But there are some people that are wasting their lives because data is cheap. From 7 a.m. And because of that, you want to kill yourself. Once you get to the top, you become the topic. So get it right.